You little Yorkie?
Yeah, she's a Yorkie, man.
Yeah, my neighbor had a little Yorkie. You're a little cutie, huh? Huh? Huh?
Look at them, they're having fun. Sound like a bunch of horses, damn.
Ratchet, what are you doing, huh? She wants to play too. Get her, buddy. It's crazy how quick they turn on a point and stuff. It's
Hauling ass too. This one drifts. When she takes hard turns,
Yeah.
you just see her sliding on the floor.
You'll see Ratchet a few times. He'll go and the ground will give out in his face and go right on the ground.
Oh, there she goes. She's warming up to him now. Well, she's very agile, that's why.
Did you just eat the sand, Ratchet?
Ew. What? What, chicken?